Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to resolve unauthorized device connections in a corporate office environment, such as staff or guests plugging in personal devices, phones, USBs, laptops, etc., that can trigger security alerts, compromise sensitive data, or slow down the network. Step-by-step guide, resolving unauthorized device connections. Step 1. Identify the unauthorized device. Check alerts from security systems or monitoring tools like Endpoint Detection and Response, EDR software, Network Access Control, NAC, Firewall or SIEM logs, for example, FortiGate, Palo Alto, Splunk. Log the MAC address, IP address, hostname, and time of connection. Step 2. Physically locate the device if needed. Use switch port mapping tools, for example, SolarWinds, Netdisco, to trace the MAC address. Check Wi-Fi controller logs if the device is connected wirelessly. Ask the floor manager or supervisor if needed to identify who connected the device. Step 3. Disconnect or quarantine the device. From the switch, disable the physical port. Use port security, limit MAC addresses. From Wi-Fi, block the MAC address. Move the device to a guest VLAN with limited internet access only. From the firewall, block the IP MAC or isolate to a restricted VLAN using dynamic rules. Step 4. Communicate with the user. Politely inform the user about the security policy. Explain the risks of connecting unauthorized devices, malware infection, data breaches, network congestion. Provide options such as using a secure guest network or a corporate managed device. Step 5. Update and enforce policies. Update the IT acceptable use policy to prohibit unauthorized device connections. Send a reminder email to all staff. Post signs near Ethernet ports and hotspots. Unauthorized device connections are not allowed. Use the guest network for personal devices. Step 6. Harden the network. Enable Network Access Control, NAC. Require authentication, 802.1x for LAN/Wi-Fi access. Only allow corporate-approved MAC addresses. Use VLAN segmentation. Keep guest traffic isolated. Apply rate limits and internet-only access to guest VLANs. Implement endpoint compliance checks. Allow only devices with antivirus, an updated OS, and domain registration. Block jailbroken or non-compliant devices. Step 7. Monitor continuously. Set alerts for new device connections, bandwidth spikes per port, unrecognized MAC addresses. Perform weekly audits of connected devices. Consider tools like Cisco ISE, Aruba ClearPass, Microsoft Intune plus Defender. Step 8. Educate staff. Provide short training or a memo explaining what constitutes an unauthorized device, how to request approval for new equipment, alternatives like secure remote access or virtual desktops, tools you might need, Wireshark for network traffic inspection, Cisco ISE or Fortinet for network access control, SolarWinds for switch port mapping, Microsoft Intune for endpoint management, GPO, AD policies for device control on Windows networks. Let me know if you'd like a printable version, a policy template, or automation scripts for blocking new MAC addresses.